What is more important, the journey or the destination? When you rely upon a car or motorbike every day, you need to take care of it. Did you know dirty deposits in your fuel tank or the fuel itself can reduce the efficiency and performance of your engine and ultimately reduce its lifespan? If gas stations in your country are still offering fuel qualities of Euro 1, 2 or 3 fuel, these deposits can grow even faster. So your car might break down, which means you can't go anywhere, and you might face expensive repair costs. In hot and humid countries, naturally occurring condensation can build up in the fuel tank. If this mixes with gasoline, it can also seriously damage your engine. Without regular cleaning, these deposits and condensation start to accumulate inside your fuel tank and can affect the efficiency of your engine. That means you're going to end up spending more money on fuel. Did you know? Cleaning your fuel system regularly can prevent the buildup of deposits, condensation damage and poor fuel economy, therefore improving both the performance and lifespan of your engine. Motul Fuel System Clean solves all these problems because it contains a better additive package than any other fuel cleaning system in its class. It's really the best option available. We call this the Motul difference, and for you, it might mean the difference between keeping your vehicle going longer or having to buy a new one. Available for both bikes and cars, Motul Fuel System Clean is the all-round best solution for your engine. So there's no need for any other fuel system cleaning products, meaning you spend less on your journey and more at your destination. Quick, easy, and more effective than any other fuel cleaning product on the market, making car and motorbike engines last longer everywhere they go, so that you can worry less about your journey and more about reaching your destination.